දැන් යම් කිසි දෙයක් නත්තල් වෙද්දී මේ ලෙවල් එකට එනවා කියන්නේ ඒක එස්ටිමේට් එකක්. කියන්නේ නත්තල් වෙද්දී ආව නැත්නම් කොහොමද ඊළඟ මාස ටිකේ ඒක තමයි ජෙනරල් ඩයිරෙක්ෂන් එක. ෂෝට් ටර්ම් එකේ ට්‍රේඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ against the trend or with the trend ඒක කොහොමද ට්‍රේඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන්. එනකට long term එහෙම ට්‍රේඩ් කරනවා පොඩි ප්‍රොපෝර්ෂන්ස් එක්ක ලොකු කැපිටල් එකක් account එකේ තියෙනවා නම් position solve කරන්න.
Okay.
So question, US elections?
Yeah, it's on US election. What will happen?
Max, your favorite topic. Who's going to win the elections?
The election definitely is going to be Joe Biden. I think what happened to Trump last night was able to kind of help, people to vote for the Democrat Party.
Yeah.
Because what it shows incompetency with this president that we have. The good thing about the Democrats, every time the Democrats is in power in the United States, the economy always get better. Every time the Republican is in power, the market always get worsened. Such as when President Bush was the president for 2 terms, the market was completely in disarray. 2005, 2006, 2007. Then Obama came on board and the market finally went up again. Why? Democrats wants the market starting from the bottom all the way up. So middle class, lower class, this when you build the market, people start spending money from the bottom.
Bottom up.
The bottom up. Whereas the Republican prefer to bet money from the top and forget about the bottom. And that's what happened with Trump.
Okay. Election එක නම් එයා හිතන හුඟක් දුරට ජෝ බයිඩන් දිනයි කියලා. ඊයරයට ට්‍රම්ප් ඔයාලා දැක්කද දන්නේ නිවුස් එකේ ට්‍රම්ප් එකේ වයිට් හවුස් එකේ සෑහෙන කට්ටියට කොරෝනා පොසිටිව්. I think ඒක තවත් ඩෙමොන්ස්ට්‍රේෂන් එකක් එයාට මේ වගේ පැන්ඩමික් එකක් කන්ට්‍රෝල් කරන්න බැරි බෑ කියලා. ඉතින් එයා හුඟක් කොන්ෆිඩන්ට් ජෝ බයිඩන් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේ ඉලෙක්ෂන් එක දිනයි කියලා. අනිත් එක එයා කතා කරනවා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දැන් ජෝ බයිඩන් ඩෙමොක්‍රැට් candidate අනිත් පැත්තෙන් ට්‍රම්ප් රිපබ්ලිකන් candidate. අන්තිම අවුරුදු 30 ඔයාලට ට්‍රෙන්ඩ් එකක් බලන්න පුළුවන්. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් රිපබ්ලිකන්ස් මාකට් එකේ රිපබ්ලිකන්ස් පවර් එක තිබ්බම මාකට් එක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එච්චරම පර්ෆෝම් කරලා නැහැ. මම ගිය පාර ඔයාලත් එක්ක ෂෙයා කරා ස්ටොක් මාකට් එක උඩට යනවා කියලා රිපබ්ලිකන් මාකට් එකේ රිපබ්ලිකන් පවර් ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් එක හිටියම ඩොලර් එක වීක්නස්. I think ඒ වුණාට මාකට් එකේ හොඳම පර්ෆෝමන්ස් මොනක්වත් නැහැ. ඩෙමොක්‍රැට්ස් එකේ අනිත් පැත්ත. එයාලා වැඩි කැමති ස්ටොක් මාකට් එක කන්ට්‍රෝල් එකේ තියාගෙන ඩොලර් එකට හොඳ පවර් එකක් දීලා මිඩල් ක්ලාස් and poor class කට්ටියට අවශ්‍යතාවය මේ උදව්වක් දෙන්න. ඉතින් ඩෙමොක්‍රැට්ස්ලා සල්ලි පම්ප් කරන්නේ පල්ලෙහා ඉඳන් උඩට රිපබ්ලිකන්ස් money පම්ප් කරන්නේ උඩටත් මේ උඩ ලෙවල්ස් වලින් ඉඳන් පල්ලෙහාට. ඉතින් ඒ ස්ටිමුලස් එක කවදාකවත් එන්නේ අවශ්‍ය කට්ටියට. ඉතින් එයා එක්සාම්පල් එකක් වශයෙන් පාවිච්චි කරා බුෂ් ජූනියර් ප්‍රෙසිඩන්ට් හිටපු කාලේ අවුරුදු මෙතන ටර්ම්ස් දෙකක් අවුරුදු 8ක් මම හිතන්නේ මාකට් එක කිසිම ස්ටඩිනස් එකක් තිබුණේ නැහැ. අප් ඇන්ඩ් ඩවුන් විතරයි තිබ්බේ. කේස් හුඟක් තිබ්බා. අන්තිමට 2009 ෆයිනෑන්ෂල් රිසෙෂන් එක අවුරුදු 100කට දැක්වු නැති ෆයිනෑන්ෂල් රිසෙෂන් එකක් ආවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඔබාමා ඒක කොහොමරි හිමින්සරේ ෆික්ස් කරා. ඉතින් එයා හිතන්නේ මේ ඉලෙක්ෂන් එක නිසා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම බයිඩන් දිනයි. හේතු දෙකක්. එකක් ට්‍රම්ප් හොඳටම ඩෙමොන්ස්ට්‍රේට් කරලා තියෙනවා මේ කොරෝනා පැන්ඩමික් එක මේ මැනේජ් කන්ට්‍රෝල් කරා ගන්න බැරි එක. අනිත් එක ඉකොනොමි එකේ කම්ප්ලීට් ඩිසර්වේ එකක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් එයා හිතනවා මේ ට්‍රෙන්ඩ් එක හැටියට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඩෙමොක්‍රට්ලා ඇවිල්ලා මාකට් එක ස්ටොක් මාකට් එක සේරම ෆික්ස් කරනවා කියලා රෙපියුටේෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් එයා හිතන්නේ ඒක ඒ හේතුවට ඩෙමොක්‍රට්ස්ලා මේ පාර දිනයි කියලා.
Okay, thank you, Max.
Questions?
Angelo,
තව එකක් තිබ්බ gold නේ.
gold ගැන අහලා තියෙනවා.
මොකද්ද questions දෙක?
Uh,
in passing මම දැක්ක එකක් level gold support level එක අනිත් එක
and when we are trading gold, what are the other factors we want to look for?
Right, Max. So, two more questions on gold. Someone was asking what is the support level what are some of the support levels you feel?
Right. Okay. See, right. So I put it right here. Support level. Let me remove the fib.
Okay. And the other question those are the main. And the other question is what other, maybe you can tie both in the same answer, and what other factors should gold traders be paying attention to? So the dollar index, the price of
it's
silver.
all about the dollar. Okay, so the dollar index, the dollar index, as I said, it's about to go. Let me remove all this mess. So the dollar index, as I showed, hold on a second here, okay? 1 second. Let me remove those letters because they're confusing. Okay, so this is the dollar index. It's all about dollar index. The dollar index closed the month of September with an engulfing bullish candle right on the line, on the channel line. So we are on a 61.80 here. So if the dollar, it's a bullish, gold automatically is supposed to be negative. So how negative if the gold? Well, we have a major key factor. One is at 1848. It basically stopped right here last week. I'm expecting it's going to break this level probably next week. We're going to retest the 1683, which is what this beautiful candle was able to kind of retest it up and down. And then the last one, 1477. The bottom of the line here, it's this level right here. If we able to hold this level right here, 1477, I think we're gonna have a rebound right here. But if we are not, there is a chance it might go back on this channel, on this support and this resistance. I do not see that to happen. I think more likely we're gonna be right here. Why? Because if I get my fib from here to here, all the way to the top right there, you're gonna see that basically this is the level that I'm very encouraging to buy gold, which is about 1400 in change. Maybe a little bit lower, maybe right here with this little resistance is gonna become a little support, maybe 1300, but this is the area that I'm expecting to buy right there. This is the box. I don't know if you guys are recording it, but this is basically, it's where I'm going to buy gold. When gold is at 1350 or maybe 1430, I definitely buy gold. But this is where we're going right now. This is exactly where we're going. We're going to retest this level, and then finally, we're able to go all the way to 2,500. If I put on a monthly, I don't know if the chart allow me to go further than that. No, let me. It's impossible. But anyway, I think we're going to go to 3,000, 2,500, 3,000. But this is the area when I'm going to buy, because it's concise with a 6180. It might go from, maybe it's going to bounce right here 1472, or might go bottom of this box 1358. This is the area where you want to buy, right here. Once you reach this box, this is where you basically need to load it up everything. Any question?
Okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah. Questions?
Yeah, Max. In history, I have seen that a pattern when it come to, especially when it come to Christmas, gold, there's a tendency to uptrend or buy.
I'm sorry?
No, no. In
Christmas
recent
gold
years,
correlation.
yeah, it's again correlated to the gold. So
The dollar you're talking about?
No, no.
No. Christmas period and gold. Do you have any personal notes on that?
I don't have the crystal ball, but I do believe that the market tells me now that the market is going to go down here because I'm looking on the dollar index. One of the things I want to cover is the WTI. You're going to see here, this is called the Secure Fibonacci. This was developed by a good friend of mine. As you can see, the WTI went short already. This is the stock market right now. This is the US 30, and this is the SP 500, okay? So as you can see, this is the trend of the SP 500. It's still up. It dropped a little bit, but it's still up. But if you're looking on the WTI is the leading indicator. We are moving below $36. If I'm gonna put this in perspective, it hit 6180, same old story, from the top here, all the way to the bottom, went all the way up, hit 6180, and now finally, we're about to hit possibly $8 per barrel by Christmas. So wow. WTI is a short. Once it breaks this support, we are going to be right here, from here to here, okay? That's where we're going with the WTI. So if the WTI goes down, it's the leading indicator for gold to go short. Gold and WTI, they're pretty much the same. They go hands to hands, okay? And there's also on the 4 hours chart, you're able to see that the market's already dropping. So once it breaks the support, you can expect the SP 500 to go down. Now, how far down the SP 500 will go? This is a good money-making machine right now. Because if I'm gonna go to daily, weekly, look, I already signed with Angelo last time. I say, Angelo, we are going to hit 1,500 on the SP 500. And what's scary the most, it is huge divergency on the other side. You're gonna see, this is a weekly chart, okay? Each candle, it's a weekly. It goes back to 2008 when there was a major market crash. Look how the difference between the crash in 2008 and the crash is about to happen right here. This is where we're going. This is where we're going. We are going to, the market is going to drop. And if the market drop, what happened with the dollar? The dollar is gonna go higher. And so this is the sign that it happened also in 2008 when I was trading Wall Street. I saw this happen. Everybody would say, oh, we're gonna hit 15,000, we're gonna go higher. No, we went down. Look, the comparison of the drop of what is about to happen right here. And look what is about to happen with the divergency, RSI, on a weekly chart. This is scary. This is extremely scary. I'm going to the monthly chart just to see, just to confirm what I'm saying right now. This is the monthly. And you can see on a monthly chart, let me remove those lines. Look up here. This is a monthly chart. Look what's going on. And remember one thing, once we get close to 50, the 50 RSI, market will be bearish all the time. Look what happened in 2008. When the RSI goes below 50, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months before got away off the bottom on the 30 on the other side. Every time we follow below 50, the market is always bearish. Here, We are not quite bearish yet, but we are about to hit this level. Maybe this month, maybe in 2 months, but we're on the downtrend, whereas here we are going up. So which one is right and which one is wrong? Well, this is just the right one. And this is a very scary, because look at the comparison between this market crash in 2008. If I want to put this line right here, it's not even a third of what is about to happen. Look how far it needs to go. Very scary. This is a very scary. And we close the month of September with an engulfing bearish candle, or clover, or whatever you want to. It's not an engulfing. It's what they call the clover, or whatever they call them. It's the reversal candle, very much. This is a reversal candle right here. And I don't know if you're familiar with the megaphone. This is the famous megaphone, and this is what's about to happen. This is where we're going. Pretty much. Something like that, or what I hear, whatever it was. Here you go. Sorry. Isn't it scary?
Other questions? It is pretty